This is the War Brief Daily for August 11. One new time-bounded strike is clearly established in the available reporting. Ukraine hit a major Russian refinery deep inside Tatarstan. Elsewhere, the confirmed board is thin, and that matters because we do not fill gaps with recycled headlines. First, Ukraine's general staff says its forces struck the Taneco oil refinery at Nizhnekamsk during the night of August 10. A fire was reported at the facility, while local footage showed explosions and a smoke plume over the area. The strike itself is confirmed by Ukraine's military statement. The extent of physical damage, the exact unit hit, and any production loss are not independently established. That's the headline. Here's what actually matters. Taneco is a major refining complex far from the front line. This is another demonstration that Russia's fuel infrastructure remains inside Ukraine's long-range drone envelope. But a fire is not the same thing as a sustained outage. Until the operator, regional authorities, satellite imagery, or commercial data show otherwise, claims of major disruption are premature. Russia's defense ministry separately claimed it destroyed or intercepted 285 Ukrainian drones over a 12-hour period. Treat that number correctly. It is a Russian official claim, not an independently audited intercept count. It signals that Moscow is describing a large air defense effort. It does not tell us how many drones reached intended targets or how many attacks were attempted. On the front, Ukraine reported 254 combat clashes across the previous day, with heavy fighting around Lyman and Kostiantynivka. Those are Ukrainian military figures, and they support the assessment of sustained pressure along the Eastern Front. They do not confirm a capture, a recapture, or a meaningful map change. No verified frontline shift is established in this reporting window. Now, the wider board. No new confirmed kinetic event met the cutoff in the Iran-Israel theater, the Red Sea, Sudan and the Sahel, or the Indo-Pacific. That does not mean those conflicts went quiet. It means the available reporting does not support a specific, time-bounded battlefield development without stretching the evidence. Let's keep this clean. What to watch next is straightforward. Confirmation of what burned at Taneco and whether refinery operations were interrupted. Russia's next air defense reporting and any retaliation cycle, and independently corroborated developments from the Middle East, Africa, or the Indo-Pacific. No spin, no noise, just intel. That's your War Brief Daily for August 11th. Subscribe for the next verified update.